Hi, my name is Tim Elder. I'm the National Sales Manager with Somerset Professional Grills. And today I'm going to show you how to install some of the cool options that are available with this grill. The first one we're going to take off with today is the Sear burner. Now the Sear burner can be installed in any location with the exception of location number 1 over here on the right hand side. And the reason why we can't put it in that location is because we have a match light tube running across. And the match light tube is cool in case you need to light your grill and you're not getting any spark. You can hold the match up to that opening on the top here and it will ignite all your burners for you. But because of that, we have to pick another location. So I'm going to put it here in the center for camera's sake. What we're going to do is remove 2 of the fuel trays, remove the cover that's inside here. Then I'm going to grab a Phillips screwdriver. There's a screw at the top of this burner right here. I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to remove the burner that's already inside. Grab our beefy Sear burner. Place that down, line up so the screw can be reinserted. Phillips screwdriver. Now you got that in there, you're all set to go. I'm going to set this aside. Put your grates back on top. Now you've got your Sear burner all ready to go. Just turn it on and use it like any other burner.